Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back and watching me. So for this video, we are going to do a weekend makeup look. If you would like to change up your weekend makeup routine and are looking for some ideas for your new weekend makeup look, keep on watching. Okay guys, so we are going to start off with moisturizing. And as always, I use the Clinique dramatically different moisturizing lotion. And you want to use the fingers that use the less amount of pressure, which is usually your middle finger and index finger. Okay, so we're done with our moisturizing. Now, to our eyebrows. Okay, let me go do them and I'll be back. Bam! So here are my eyebrows. I promise you guys that the eyebrow tutorial video is coming up. Just bear with me. I'm getting ready for that, I promise. Okay guys, moving on to our eyes. My first step will be the concealer, and it is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original. I am starting to prime my eyes again versus just putting concealer, which I was doing before. So when you apply the primer, I first kind of apply it with my fingers. You don't want to rub it in, you kind of want to dab it like you do your beauty blender. I am using the Modern Renaissance palette again from our last video. This is by Anatasia, Beverly Hills, and I am just going with one eyeshadow. This palette, I don't know if you guys remember, comes with a brush. One side of the brush is for applying the eyeshadow. We're going to use the color Red Ochre. Orchid? No, I don't think it's Orchid. I think it's Ochre. So to start off our eyeshadow process, we are going to apply it to the bottom lid of our eyelid. Just get the entire bottom eyelid. So as I get closer to my inner eyelid corner, I do less pressure on the brush, just so it kind of blends and it doesn't stay so sharp. When you blend, you want to add as little pressure as possible. Brush isn't the greatest. I kind of found it difficult to blend actually. I don't know. Hopefully it is because it's old and not because it's just sucky. But its little hairs kept falling off, or fibers, whatever you want to call them. Okay, so I'm just applying a little bit more of that shade, and we want to blend it as we apply it at the same time. Okay, so this is how my eyeshadow looks. I know it kind of looks light on the camera, but trust me, when you're out and about, it's a decent amount. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and do the other side. Basically, we did the same thing, nothing really much changes. So I'll be back with the other side. Okay, so moving on to our eyeliner, I'm using the same one from last time, which is Sephora Brush Tip Liner, and it is waterproof. Next is our mascara called Better Than Sex by Too Faced. Okay, so at this point I did felt like I needed to put some chapstick on, and I used Burt's Bees medicated chapstick. Okay, so this will be it for my eyes. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else to them. So yeah, let's go ahead and move on to our face. Okay, so for my foundation, I'm gonna use my usual, which is Born This Way by Too Faced, and the color Warm Nude. Okay, so I just applied a few drops on my middle finger and ring finger, and I just started applying the foundation, just in little dots, like so. So next thing, you guys guessed it, I am gonna blended with my beauty blender. Can I say one thing? Beauty blenders, best invention ever. I should really look up who invented beauty blenders or who came up with beauty blenders. Changed my life forever, guys. So don't forget to follow me on my other social media. Instagram is at belly.ebel and Facebook is the same thing at belly.ebel, but except with 2 extra eyes. So 4 eyes total instead of 2. Moving on to my under eyes. It is going to be the same process I do for my under eyes all the time. I've been doing this routine since I believe the color correcting game came out. And the first thing I use is Beauty Triple Remedy by First Aid Beauty in fair to medium. The second thing would be Naked Skin Color Correcting Fluid by Urban Decay in peach. Third will be Creaseless Concealer by Tarte in 22H Light Honey. I just gotta say how amazing the sunset light was making my eyes look. These are not my natural eye color. These are not how they look, but the sunset light is bomb. For the last step on my under eyes routine will be Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder for the under eyes. So for applying my powder, my under eye powder, I'm using the Sephora brush named Base Shadow. It's not meant for this powder, but it did the job. Probably won't use this brush again for this purpose. So finally, our last step is lipstick, and I'm using Tarte's by, you guessed it, by Tarte. So it is Tarte's Lip Paint. That's what it says here, Lip Paint. And the color Birthday Suit, I believe. Yep, Birthday Suit. This is my final look, guys. It is our weekend makeup look, or new weekend makeup routine, and this is what I used. I think it was last Saturday night, and I was happy with it. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for the support. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell button. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. I will try my best to respond as quickly as possible. Sometimes I can't be on my phone all the time. And remember, go follow my also social media sites. Instagram is at belly.ebel. Same thing for Facebook at belly.ebel, or if you guys want to start calling it Bellybell, I don't know. Still working on that.